Torque involves twisting, that is, rotating. And the equation for torque is that it is equal to the force times the distance, or the lever arm. And here we have the terms defined. Torque is in this unit Newton meters, F is the applied force in newtons, and D is sometimes called the lever arm or the distance between the force and the pivot point, and that should be measured in meters. Now the key here is that the force and the lever arm, D, must be perpendicular to each other. Let's give an example in which we have to take that into account. We have here a wrench, and we're applying a force to the end of it. But you can see that we're not applying the force perpendicular to the lever arm. The lever arm goes straight up and down. The force is not being applied perpendicular to that, but it's being applied at some angle. Now, what that means is that this, the component of the force that is perpendicular is the only one that's going to generate torque. So what we need is not just this force here. What we need is the force that is perpendicular. If you can imagine this being turned into a right triangle with the force that's shown being the hypotenuse. I've got a horizontal leg and I've got a vertical leg. I need the value of this horizontal leg. And once I have that, that's the F that goes way up here in this equation, multiplied by my lever arm, and then we're done. Torque is force times lever arm. And you can see here I've shown in green that value is what we need to put into, in the lower left, this equation for F. In other words, we need the force that is perpendicular to the lever arm. If this angle that's shown is 129 degrees, then the angle in between this green line and this black vector must be 129 minus 90, because this angle is 90, so this little angle here must be 129 minus 90, which is 39. That's where the 39 came from. Again, we're emphasizing here that we need the perpendicular component of the force to the lever arm. We take the product of all those things and we get this value, 19 Newton meters. So, this just reinforces something that we all know, and that is when you're using a wrench, you automatically apply the force at right angles to the lever arm. We don't apply it at some silly angle like this. We apply it at right angles so as to maximize the torque. Let's summarize. Torque is force times lever arm. It's crucial in using this equation that the force F and the lever arm D are perpendicular to each other.